We are beginning this series looking at the different array instances that there is, or beginning with the at method. Now, it's important to note that the at method of any array instance takes an integer value and returns the item at that index. What do we mean by this? You should know that every element in an array starts with an index of 0. Now, that means the position of 5 here is in the position of 0, position of 10 is at that of 1, position of 15 is at that of 2. So this is what you should know. Arrays starts at the index of 0. If we are to do a console.log to get the whatever number is at the position of 2, pause this video and tell me what you think. Okay, now if you try to solve that, the position of 2 should be at 15, as you can see, 15, 2. So let's console.log that so that to reconfirm our decision whether we did the right thing. Now, by doing that, we press the note app.js and we get our answer 15. So we are correct. You can determine the position of an element in two ways by using this other syntax or this other form. When you use this other form to determine the position of an element in an array, it still gives you the same result. If we input that and we still get 15. But what's the difference between what we had earlier and the one that I showed you right now? Now, the difference between them is the array with the bracket and the one with the parentheses. The array with the parentheses allows you to return positive and negative integers. What we mean by that is the negative integers will count from back. That's the last item in that array. Now, if you wanted to get 30 as easy as possible, I know it's still the same. If you press 5, if you write the index of 5, it returns you 5. But if you wanted to start from the back, there's an easy way to do this. You can give it a negative integer, and when you go to your console and run it, it gives you 25. So the index starting from the back is 25, and we are correct. So either ways, you get the right answer. That's all for the array instance.at, and I hope I explained it in a right way that you understand. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.